Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Deep Driving. This is something that I've been having some fun with, and this is my adventure into LinkedIn. So Gary Vaynerchuk, if some of you know who he is, he's been talking about how LinkedIn is great for marketing and for resources, and I love LinkedIn. I share my content on there, and what I started doing about a month ago is actually sharing my content into certain groups that I am part of. Early childhood groups, director groups, social emotional teaching groups. And it seems like even though some of these groups have like 40, 50, 60,000 people in them, not a lot of people post. So when I post something and then I post something the next day, it's on top of each other, which is interesting. Another reason why I truly love LinkedIn is because when I used to have interns, they would come to me with an idea about what they want to do, and then their advisor told them, well, you know, you want to be a doctor without border, where you should go work in a hospital for a year or two, which doesn't make sense to me because that's an advisor and not a person who's a doctor without border. And I would advise my interns, and I just say, you know, advise this to anybody. You know, mentorship in them is an amazing thing. Why try to figure things out by yourself? And there's other people that love to help. Is go onto LinkedIn, and whatever passion, whatever dream you want, or whatever job they want, have them just look up people on LinkedIn and just message them and connect them and say, listen, I'm looking for a mentor. I'm looking for somebody I can just ask questions of. And I appreciate that. Everybody loves to help. I love being a keynote speaker, and I'm mentoring 10 different people on being a keynote speaker just because it just makes sense. They have a passion, and they have a message, and they have an impact, and have the experience. So like I tell them, why have a job when you can just travel around the country and just joyously help people and share your message and your passion. And I've gotten 3 gigs already out of LinkedIn just by posting in the groups, and one of them is from a previous customer who just tried to stay in front of them. So that's my joyous expression towards LinkedIn. I hope that if you don't have a LinkedIn profile, you create one. You can meet amazing people. There's groups on there. And I appreciate Gary V being a rock star. If you don't know who he is, Gary Vaynerchuk, he's a guy who worked his way from when YouTube started and totally created an amazing marketing organization, and his main focus is on just having people follow their passions and their dreams and do whatever makes them happy, and posting a lot of content about it and just doing whatever you want to do and not giving a crap what other people say. Gary V-E-E is his nickname, or Gary Vaynerchuk, V-A-Y-N-E-R-C-H-U-K. He's a freaking rock star. And I grew up in East Brunswick, New Jersey. He grew up in Edison, New Jersey, one town over. All right, appreciate you listening. Have a great rest of your day. Please share this with everybody. Subscribe if you want more of this kind of content. Appreciate y'all.